Rats are a growing problem in New York City, and your car could be their next target. They hide inside engines, leaving droppings and scent trails that attract even more rats and put your vehicle at risk. At Blue Star Brothers, we provide a professional engine and wheel well, cleaning using a disinfecting solution, followed by our own specialized auto cleansers. This process removes harmful residue, breaks scent trails, and helps prevent rats from coming back. Prevention starts under the hood. Choose Blue Star Brothers for a cleaner, safer engine.